Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this great tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on Facebook step by step. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook app and then search for the person that you wanna block them. So as you can see over here, this person I want to block, or like this is my account. So you can simply type over here any person name that you want to block it. So as you can see, anyone that you want to block it, so you have to do is click on their profile, and then you have to do is click on these three dots on the top, and then you will see over here the second or the third option over here, blocked option over here. So once you click on that, it's pop up like this. You have to do is simply block this person and it's gonna be blocked. This content isn't available, so it's mean you have blocked this person from your Facebook account, and that's it. You can see over here this option over here, you block this person, and then click on OK, and now go back to your work, and that's it. That's how you can block someone on Facebook. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and you can do it for the work. If someone is disturbing you to do your work, and you can as well block them, but don't block if they didn't disturb you or like that. So if you, and that's it. If see you in the next video, have a nice day, bye bye.